Hey guys, this is Shai with you from Vtrender, and on the 7th of Jan closing hour, just got a chart of Nifty futures on your screen, and this chart is the order flow chart. For those who have never had a chance to look at an order flow chart, this is what we have on screen right now, an order flow chart. So this morning, after yesterday's close was around that 12040 zone, and just before the close yesterday, we had seen that there was actually not a lot of selling coming into the market, or rather shorts were closing. And you see that through these greens of the last 1 hour in the Nifty, and you can see the Scott reading, which was about 6,56,000 plus at the close yesterday. So that generally means a bounce is on the cards, and generally, when I say generally, I wouldn't say 10 out of 10 times, but about 8.5, 9 times out of 10, you are seeing a market which is wanting to go up the next day, either through a gap or through a drive straight at the open, which is what we saw this morning right at the open. And I was expecting that gap right up to about 12,120 in the futures, and we had discussed this in the trading room also. But kind of surprised that the move went up to about 12 180, 165, 170, 180. But the interesting thing happened as the market ran up to about 12 165, 12 180. You can see over here the demand which we had seen the previous day, all these greens, they are not there in that first 30-60 minutes of the day. You can see a bunch of reds over here, and the COT is going into negative, minus 122 to about 1196 to minus 204. That is telling you that on the gap up there is no further demand, and it is supply greater than demand, or what the equation is S greater than D in the tape. So that is what happened. And early the open, once IB was done and the VWAP broke, there was a further round of selling which happened, and the market went down, and it kept going down. Right, you can see these are 30-minute charts, and the greens finally show up in that 12060 zone, which gave the market close at VWAP 12115. Okay, so just a simple way of understanding demand supply is like when you see greens on your chart, that's the time you have to be inputting buy side orders. When you see reds on your chart, that is the time you have to input sell side orders. This is a 30-minute chart. Just tell you about those two important trades which we took today based on the same COT reading. Now this is the 5-minute chart of the Nifty futures, and the volumes remain the same whichever time frame you are looking at. So you see this open, there is a lot of green band which comes right at the open. But have a look at this COT as the market rises up to that 12 165 180 zone, minus 1108750, and then this is like minus 36, minus 51 over here. So this is telling you that this is not a right time to go long into this market. It's telling you that supply is coming into the market, or the previous existing demand is closing their positions. So this is what happened in the very first hour. There was no fresh demand in the tape, but this is what triggered our shorts early. This minus 157 which you see here, this is a number we do not see very often. And when you see this kind of a number, it's an eyes closed short trade to take. We were short here at 12,147. We're looking for about 12,080, 12,110, which is what we got. Generally, when you see this kind of a COT reading in excess of about 1 lakh, that's the time to go in with full artillery into a short position, which is what happened. Minus 157. The next candle was about 2,400 COT, which is basically the shorts still holding, and then it went down further to about 12,100, where there was a slight pullback happening right here. So this is a perfect example of how to use the evidence of demand supply live right as it is happening, and trade accordingly. Something similar happened around 1 o'clock also. If you can see, okay, that came back, okay, to test VWAP, and it could not really, okay, push up above VWAP, and this is that minus 1 lakh reading again. Okay, it is up about 12110, and I remember, okay, telling you guys, okay, take that shot, 12110 stop loss. We would hit 12050, and this is, okay, what happened. Okay, the market, okay, went down continuously, okay, on that caught, and here, okay, you can see again here it's trying to reset at 375, and then, okay, the demand shows up 2632 13. That means the market is not interested in creating further short positions at 12060 and lower levels. There is a bunch of green, okay, which is coming in, and then, okay, again, okay, you get that push back to VWAP. So very simple. Okay, when it is a fast moving market, okay, you don't really, okay, have the time, okay, to look at the bid and the ask and what is happening, okay, in between these prices. Just take a look at your 5-minute candle, look at the COT. Okay, COT is basically the sum of all the commitment of traded volumes in the market. Just look at this figure, okay, at the top. That's good enough, okay, for you to trade the entire day. I hope this little tip helps. Keep watching in, and stay logged into the trading room for much more such good trades. Thank you for listening in.